Bless you. Bless you. I'm about to do Tagalog WOTD and I think bless you. I think I'm gonna do another word for WOTD instead of something that I've been planning to do. In English, the sound of sneezing is achoo. But why is it that in Tagalog it is atching? Well, with Mudra it is achay. Mudra, did you say achay? Someone's coming. Are you gonna help Tita, Hiro? Or you just want more kamot? So, atching. Atching means sneeze. Also in Filipino or Tagalog, it is the sound made from sneezing. Atching. 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 You know, if you wanna say someone keeps on sneezing, atching ng atching. Atching ng atching. Can you smell anything? Wala akong naamoy. Bakit ka atching ng atching?
Kasi may oras na kaya
Naamoy na ako.
Na? Like? Oh boy.
Maintindihan yung amoy.
Oh boy. Looks like someone did poo-poo the way he walks.